Hey, honey. What's for dinner tonight?
Blah,
Oh, I don't know.
blah, 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 blah,
I don't know. Do I have to make the decision? No, you want me to make the decision. Okay, so. Okay, well, okay, I'll figure something out. What are we gonna watch after dinner? I don't know. I don't know, honey. I guess I'll figure that out too. Yes, I love you. Bye. You know, my wife and I, we used to own a campground. And what that meant was, in the summertime, I mean, you're on site at 7 in the morning, sometimes earlier. And the office closes around 9. So by the time you get home, because you're never out the door when it closes, you're just spent. You're done. And we actually had to come up with an agreement that there was one question we would not ask each other, and that was, what's for dinner? You're just done. Your brain doesn't function anymore that late at night. So you basically, unfortunately, our campground had a pizza shop and an ice cream parlor. So we ate a lot of pizza and a lot of ice cream. And well, I was up to 285 at one point in time, and down to about 200 now. So anyway, I got a daughter request. She would like a set of dice, and on these dice you put suggestions for dinner, and on the other one suggestions for what you want to watch that night after dinner when you're just trying to relax and unwind. So with that being said, I just lost it. I just dropped one of them. Let's get to work. Now, I went down to the wood store and I bought a bunch of wood, and because I actually went in there for one piece of wood and came out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 6 pieces of wood. And I'm not even going to use them. Why? Because I'm pressed for time. It's actually for my son-in-law for his birthday, and I got to do it like right now. So anyway, I went on Amazon and I ordered a dozen 2-inch by 2-inch square blocks. They're actually more square than I could make them, so that's good enough for me. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire up the router. That's that thing you see behind me all the time, covered in a sheet. That's my router. So I'm going to round off the edges. I'm going to laser engrave them, and then I'm going to coat them with shellac and get them in the mail. So I've never done it before, so let's figure this out. And there you go. With these 2 dice, you can decide what you're gonna watch on TV while you're eating dinner or after dinner and relaxing, and you can actually decide what you're actually gonna have for dinner. It's a quick little project. I think I did the whole thing in less than an hour, which, believe me, in most cases, that's about how long it takes to decide what we're gonna have for dinner and what channel we're gonna watch after dinner. So, anyway, thanks for watching.